Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and please like, share and comment on my video guys. Joking, joking. Guys, this is Traffic Jarvis lifetime traffic solution and I was just joking guys, okay? This is Traffic Jarvis and this is highly highly secret methods and complete explanation of getting traffic for your offers on your websites and CP offers, affiliate offers, YouTube channel, on videos, images, whatever. Okay, guys, so this is Traffic Jarvis. This is not any type of the tool and built-in dashboard and like just like member access area and something like software and done for you system, something like that. This is not like that. This system is completely different, guys, and this is a hardcore training. Okay, this is hardcore training which will be for 11 hours. Okay, so if you are okay to learn, because guys, this is 11 hours training, I know that, but the main point is what people generally do the hard work for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, even 5 year, but generally they are not getting enough success. Okay, after 5 years, maybe they are getting too much good success, but even after 1 year, 2 year, people are still struggling for getting traffic on websites, offers, YouTube channels, maybe some CPA offers, affiliate offers, landing pages. And the main thing is what? Because they generally think some tools or software will work for them, but they don't want to increase their knowledge. I'm not opposing that software and tool will work for you. Yes, definitely, damn sure software generally works for you. Tools and softwares are built for us, for the use and applicable for us. Okay, but if you are not have enough knowledge, not only enough knowledge, perfect knowledge, right and right direction knowledge, so how you will get perfect traffic on your landing page, offers, website, something like that. So guys, this is complete 11 hours 20 minute training. Before go ahead, you have to face this challenge, guys. Okay, this is totally and totally challenging for you guys. Okay, because why I'm telling you this is challenging, because this is 42-minute video, guys, and obviously if one video is available for 42 minutes, so this will be challenging for you. But guys, if you cannot watch this video for 42 minutes, okay, then how you will complete the training, guys? Okay, so this is completely a video format training which will open all the main incredible things related to traffic. But before that, you need to understand in which direction this traffic Jarvis will give you the solution and something like that for getting traffic on your websites. You need to watch this video complete and later you can decide by your own mind you have to go ahead with this or not, because guys, this is not a $10, $15, $20 product, guys. This is completely not too much but a little bit high ticket product, because you are actually you cannot imagine what you are going to get inside this product. Okay, so this is a traffic for lifetime traffic solution, so that you will not need to buy different products. Okay, for traffic, for this, for that, something like that. Okay, so if you go ahead with this product, it will be your lifetime traffic solution. But before that, you need to finish this video. Okay, and if you are getting bored by watching this video, so guys, actually this is not for entertainment purpose, and this product is not for entertainment purpose. This is a complete incredible product, and you will know the completely different methods and things about traffic. Okay, because some people tell if they are in blogging, writing, copywriting industry, generally they tell content is king and consistency is queen. Okay, but in online marketing, in online business, traffic is king, guys. If you are not getting traffic, okay, you are very best for speaking. You are very best in skills. You are very best in codings. But if you are, even if you are very good in sales also, but but if you are not getting traffic, guys, okay, your all skills will be useless. Okay, so in online marketing, in online business industry, guys, traffic is king. And if you want to work in online business industry, okay, so guys, you will need traffic. Okay, it doesn't matter from where you will get traffic. Okay, how you will get traffic, it doesn't matter. It doesn't important thing for you, but coming traffic on your offers, on your page, on your landing page, websites, YouTube channel, videos, whatever, this is the main thing, guys. Okay, so without traffic you cannot do that. So this is a complete page. This is 42-minute challenging video. Why challenging? Because this is challenging thing. Okay, to keep watching 42-minute video, okay, till the end. Okay, so you need to watch, actually you need to finish this video so that you will get to know what will be inside this program. Okay, so this is the price of this program, guys. Okay, you can decide what you have to do. Okay, but I'm telling you, this is a totally different thing. Okay, so you should go ahead with this because I already told you the power of traffic. Okay, now it's your turn. You have to decide to go ahead or not. And I don't know what you think about traffic. Okay, according to me, in online sales and online marketing, online business, B2B, B2C, everywhere, traffic is king, guys. Okay, just like content is king in copywriting, blogging industry, something like that. Okay, so $400 is not a big deal. Okay, because this is king size program. So we'll meet in the next video, guys, with amazing products and all. Till then, keep watching, guys. Bye.